In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust header height padding in Shopify. First, sign in to your Shopify admin and head to your store's dashboard. From the left menu, open Online Store so you can access your theme settings. In the Themes area, open your current themes editor by choosing Edit Theme or Customize, depending on what your interface shows. This brings you into the Visual Theme Editor, where you can see a live preview of your storefront and a panel of settings on the left. In the editor sidebar, locate the header section. Open it to reveal the controls that affect the visual spacing of your header. Here's where the padding lives. Look for labels like padding, spacing, top and bottom spacing, or header height. Use the sliders or input fields to increase or decrease the vertical padding. As you adjust, keep your eye on the live preview to gauge the exact height you want. If your theme has separate settings for desktop and mobile, switch the preview between devices and make adjustments for each so your navigation remains comfortable and consistent across screens. If your store uses an announcement bar above the header, open that announcement or banner section and adjust its padding as well. Extra space in the announcement bar can make the header feel taller than intended, so tightening that area often helps achieve the overall height you're aiming for. Some themes also include options for logo size or menu item spacing inside the header. A very tall logo or wide menu spacing can force the header to grow, so consider slightly reducing those values if you need a slimmer header without sacrificing readability. As you fine-tune, check how the header behaves when it's sticky. Scroll the preview to confirm that the header doesn't cover important content and that the spacing looks balanced while scrolling. If your theme offers transparent or overlay header options on the homepage, open that template in the page selector and quickly verify those layouts too, since padding there can be handled separately. When you're happy with the preview, click Save to apply your changes. A quick tip before you finish: refresh your storefront in a separate tab and test multiple pages, like product and collection templates, to make sure the new header height looks consistent everywhere. Keep accessibility in mind by ensuring your menu text remains readable and clickable, especially on mobile. That's it. Your Shopify